I have a very special guest this evening. This is Shashi
Thank you for
from
having me.
from France, from Ineos, France, right?
From Ineos France and Benelux,
Yeah, wonderful.
and a little country called Monaco too.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's great for Grenadier driving, I think.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So, and you came here with your very own Grenadier, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. How many kilometers?
1,200 kilometers.
Oh, that's a lot. Yeah. In one day or
The whole day yesterday.
the whole year?
The whole day
Yeah,
yesterday.
okay.
So,
And yeah, and
What's the reason?
what's the reason?
Yeah.
Okay, two reasons.
Okay, two reasons.
Two reasons. One reason, biggest reason is that I guess you guys do the best community gathering of the Grenadier in Europe.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
And the second reason is I love to meet all the early adopters like me, who have shown their passion in buying a product that did not exist before, to take the plunge, to live with all our, let's say, birth defects that we've now corrected. So I think these guys, the early adopters, are the real fans of the brand. And when they come together, it's like a passion. And today I met here so many people who are not also early adopters. They've bought the car 6 months before, 1 year before. And I came here to see people who had maybe 20,000 kilometers on their odometer. And I found people here who have done 6,000 kilometers, 10,000 kilometers. And they come here because they feel that they're part of a family. And I think this family needs to be celebrated. And having something like this is the right thing to do. And getting together, talking about our experiences, making new friends, and then I think I go away with some friends today,
Yeah.
So I made some friends, new friends, and you don't need language, you just need something, a common link.
very good.
Yeah, no Jaeger, master.
Now you have to drive. Okay.
I have to try.
Okay, Shashi, tell me, is there a difference between Grenadier drivers in France and in Germany?
So I think in Germany I see much more passion in terms of accessorizing the Grenadier. In France I see less in that way because there are not so many accessory makers. So when I came to Germany, my French dealers told me, please take a lot of pictures of all the accessory makers and all what they're doing in Germany. I think what people are doing in Germany is actually being copied by a lot of other people all around the world. So I think that is something that differentiates a customer in other parts, where you have a lot of innovation, where people are trying to do a lot of new things to add on to the experience of traveling on a huge expedition. And if somebody has to look for a new accessory on their Grenadier, they look at Germany, Switzerland, the Swiss-speaking Germans. They're looking here. And I think that's what we see today with all the customers, with all the people who have made the accessories. I think that we don't find in France, and I think that's different. And so I think the spirit is here, where you see that they're customizing it. I've seen so many different kinds of roof tents, side steps, all kinds of things that contribute to making your journey more smoother and likely and happier.
When do you start the business selling the first car in France?
The first car I delivered in April 2023.
Okay, so like mine?
Yeah,
Okay.
exactly. That's the first car I delivered. My first customer was a lady
Okay,
who wanted to buy the car to tow her horses.
okay,
And her daughter used to ride.
okay.
And she sent me very beautiful pictures. The first Grenadier I sold was to a lady, and I delivered it with a ribbon on the car, and everybody was like, "No, this is an off-road car. Please don't put a ribbon on the car." So, but it was very nice. I think that's where the USP of the Grenadier is, that it's used as a work tool.
Yeah.
That you can do it whatever you want. You tow your boat, you tow your horse, you go on an expedition, you put a roof tent, go sleep outside, you go to the sea, you go to the river, you go to the desert. So I think that's what the Grenadier is all about. It's all about finding your fun, finding your adventure, and something that I really believe is like, this is not a car. I come from the car world into the 4x4 world, and the first thing I learned was you don't sell your 4x4. You buy it for life. Yeah? You buy it for
Normally,
life.
yes.
You buy it for life, and then it becomes your house. So you start thinking
Building it up.
how do I build up my house now? So I put a tent. If I want to go out, I put inside. I put a kitchen. I try to do stuff. So many new things I saw today, unbelievable.
And tell me, what had been the best experience for you personally with the Grenadier? Maybe
The best
you had been
experience-
somewhere, or
I think I've had so many experiences over the last years with the Grenadier. Many of them are best experiences, but every experience is a new adventure. I've had good experience on the snow when I've driven on the snow, when it got stuck in the snow and to pull it out from the snow. Good experiences in the desert. I've had good experiences. I mean, I've had great experience on the road. I drove 1,200 kilometers. I don't have a back pain.
Yeah.
So I've
Yeah,
had great.
it's a comfortable car.
For me,
Yeah.
driving, I don't think twice. I don't want to take a train. I just pick up my car and I go. And I think that's the part where you feel that your experience is good. Your experience is good because you don't feel like you're it's a pain to drive. It's a pleasure to drive. So you just go with it.
Okay.
And I think, I'm looking forward. I'm planning an expedition to India, to Ladakh, which is the highest motorable road in the world this summer.
Okay.
I go with my
But then
Grenadier.
Alone or with customers?
Not with customers today.
Okay.
Alone. My personal trip.
Because you have.
Oh, this one.
You have another expedition.
So this is coming up in Morocco.
Ah, okay.
And with a company, Spanish company that organizes it called Amada.
Okay.
With Land Service, our French dealer, who's also involved.
Ah,
We
okay.
try to take as many customers who want to come.
Okay.
We don't do hard off-road.
Yeah.
We do soft off-road.
Okay.
Uh,
So touristic drive, scenic drive.
Scenic drive.
Okay.
We stay in hotels.
Okay.
We don't sleep in tents.
Okay.
So for anybody who's bought his Grenadier but is not used to this world,
Okay, and you
know?
told me it's cheap.
it's 3,500 euros only.
it's nothing.
It's nothing. So,
So if you are interested in this, wenn ihr Interesse habt, ich verlinke euch das in der Infobox, dann könnt ihr euch da vielleicht anmelden, ist ja vielleicht was für euch. I noticed you're here with your family, right?
yes.
So how do they like these trips?
So my family has been traveling with me for a lot of and my daughters can sell a Grenadier today, so they will tell you all about the features. So so yeah, I mean, so I think it's like you pass on the passion. When I talk to a customer here, you can feel that I don't need a salesman to sell a car. A customer will do the job because he is so fond of his vehicle that he will do it. So it's the same thing in the family. Your car has joined the family, and all of us are part of the family. So all of us are wearing the Ineos T-shirt, and all of us are here, and we kind of feel that we are part of this group. And they also feel the same,
Yeah.
and they love it. And they've been with me to 4x4 fairs, and my daughters worked at the agriculture fair, selling Grenadiers to people, explaining it. They love it also as much as I do.
It's really nice to feel your passion about this car, and it has been a pleasure to meet you here and to talk to you.
The biggest reason for me coming here is you guys.
Thank you.
And
Thanks a lot.
it motivates. Your motivation, your passion is shared by me,
Okay.
and I come because of you.
Okay. Now, Shashi, you gave me this funny thing. It's a 25,000 kilometers
Yes.
button.
It's a pin. Yeah,
It's a pin, okay.
So
And I will have it because yesterday I have 25,001 kilometers on
That's
my
why-
car.
that's why you have
Hard tours. So it was a pleasure for me if you put it on my clothes, please.
Maybe we need a Kummerling to celebrate this.
yes, absolutely.
So now I'm an official member of the 25,000 kilometers
Now
club.
you have the official member of the 25,000 kilometers club,
Not bad.
and
Thanks a lot.
Welcome. And I have to say this, that there are only two pins. One is 25,000
Yeah.
and the next one is 100,000.
Yes.
There's nothing in the middle.
So you have one?
I'm at 70,000.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So you have to work on it.
I have to work on it a little
Okay,
bit more.
okay, okay.
So when I get to 100, I know a few customers, but
Yeah.
if anybody wants their 100,000 pin, please reach out.
Yeah, go for it, Emma. Go for it.
So Shashi, thanks a lot for your coming.
Pleasure. Thank you so much for having
It was
me.
a pleasure for us, and hope you will visit us next year on the Grenadier Summit 2026.
Grandia Summit 2026, I will be here. I will make sure that I bring my French customers, Benelux customers,
Perfect.
everybody's invited. This is the place to be. It's Welzo here, and it's got a nice 4x4 track. It's got different kinds of workshops. It's what a nice bonfire. You know, I mean, nothing like sitting together in
Yeah.
the evening and
So I'm working on my French language. Shashi, you have to drive.
I have to die.
So Katrin have to drink. No, and maybe Andy. Andy is to...
So, ich denke,
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
ja, stoß mit an.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, 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 cheers.